series at this point in time?
First of all, maraming salamat po ulit sa pagdala ninyo.
Your father is my friend.
I'll mention to you po.
Yeah.
Bakit namin introduce yung series?
Oh.
Because sa simula pa lang po nung we were conceptualizing the story, we've already there's a part of us that as storytellers, the stories of these people needs to be heard. Pakiramdam namin yung kwento nitong mga characters na nandito, characters that they represent, are stories that will resonate not just dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, but globally. This is a story of, like you said, a critical period in our history. It's a story na hindi dapat natin makalimutan, na dapat marinig nung ating mga kababayan.
I had initially thought, before I came here, I thought it was going to be a documentary, no, but the way you presented the story, it's really a very strong narrative. Why do you want to bring this film to the global audience?
Una po, we believe in the talents of tayo mga Pilipino. We believe na malakas yung ating storytelling, at pakiramdam namin when we were doing this is an opportunity para maipakilala, lalo na yung galing ng ating cast na nandito.
Galing.
The Filipino artist needs to be heard and seen sa global stage. So yun po yung dahilan.
Saan nga ito papalabas?
Yung KC Global and sila po yung in charge ng sales and distribution. I'm sure there will be an announcement soon, but right now
Feedback.
Yun po, there will be an announcement soon, but right now we'd like to parang focus po on the material that we hope you can help us spread. Kung nagustuhan po ninyo, tulungan niyo po kaming ipalaganap yung mensahe ng kwento at yung mga kapuri-puring aspeto ng palabas.
Salamat. At kumusta kay Nilo?
Maraming salamat din po, Sir Nestor.
Thank you, Tito Nestor.
Sir Nestor.
Next up, we have Tito Bobby Regentina for his 2 questions. Go to Bobby.
Hello, magandang gabi. Sir, what makes Jaguar uniquely Filipino?
Sige po. I think one is the story. It's really yung root po niya is this very unique, specific period in our history that I think shaped us kung sino tayo ngayon. Pangalawa, it's Filipino because of, like I mentioned, all the talents that put this show together. From the cast to the crew to everyone involved in the making of this series. Yun po.
And then sir, okay, last question. After watching the series, yung 6 episodes, ang ganda ng first episode, what is it that you hope the audience carry with them after mapanood nila lahat ng episodes ng Jaguar?
Ang gusto ko sana namin pagkatapos mapanood ng audience yung 6 na episode, magkaroon po ng conversation between those people who see it, kung saan man, kung ano man ang pananaw ninyo, kung nasaan man kayo nakatayo sa paniniwala, magkaroon ng pag-uusap, because tingin namin sa pag-uusap, sa conversation na to, dito magkakaroon po ng catharsis, or may matututunan tayo sa isa't isa. Dito magkakaroon ng unawaan And eventually, it can lead to better as yun naman ang gusto ng bawat kwentista o storyteller po, maibahagi sa bawat isa sa audience niya yung kwento o mensaheng gusto niyang iabot. At sa pamamagitan ng conversation sa mga nakapanood, mas tataas yung antas ng pag-uusap.
Thank you, Direk. Congratulations.
Thank you, Tito Bobby. Ready na rin po si Tito June Lalin para sa kanyang mga katanungan. Nandun po siya sa may gitna po ng cinema.
Yeah. Hello, yan.
Hi, Tito June. Nandito po siya sa...
Yeah, Direct Shugo, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Oo, ang ganda. Oo,
Maraming salamat.
I'm so proud of itong project nyo. No? I was there in Singapore nung i-launch to sa Asian TV film market. Ang bongga. Doon pa lang, in-introduce nyo to direct, ang dami ng inquiries, di ba? Busy kayo sa kaliwat ka ng meetings, di ba? Nakakatuwa na ang dami nagkagusto. And yung partner nyo dito, doon nyo nakilala, tama?
Tama po, KC Global. Dito po namin sila, nung nilaunch po namin yung series, KC Global. So, I guess nagustuhan nila.
Yeah. Oo.
And we partnered with them. Sila po yung, there are sales and distribution.
Yeah, oo. Grabe nga yung yung feedback. Di ba nandun ka MJ? Remember nandun tayo?
Yes po.
Di ba? Oo.
Punong-puno at pumalampak sila doon sa nung pinalabas at yes.
Oo. That time direct, siyempre hindi pa naman talaga namin napanood, hindi pa nakailang nag-shoot pa lang kayo eh. That time you're still shooting, feeling ko, hindi ko talaga kasi I'm not into this kind of mga genre, no? Pero nang mapanood ko kanina, my gosh, hindi ako makatayo. Ang ganda. Yung pagkakadirect mo, tama nga si Tito Nestor, no? Ang dating din sa akin, at first, baka-docu, pero ang ganda, grabe.
Thank you po.
Ian, after watching the first episode, kasi that time, syempre, hindi pa naman talaga buo, di ba? Now, after watching, anong masasabi mo? Anong nararamdaman mo? I'm sure you're very, very proud also.
I'm very proud of this project. Nung una pa lang nabasa ko yung script, hindi ko alam pa paano namin gagawin nun because of schedule and stuff. Pero I felt I really had to be part of this because we have to tell this story because it's the story of our people and it's a part of our history and our humanity. And ngayong napanood ko, bumabalik sa akin lahat ng emotion ni Father Tom. Because as an actor, parang my job is to go through that life emotionally, at least. And now it brings back memories. So parang mabigat dalhin. Pero yun, sobrang natutuwa ako sa cinematography, sa editing, sa storytelling ni Direk Shugo. And sana maraming makapanood because kwento natin to eh. Tayo to eh. So sana mapanood ng mga taga-ibang bansa din. Kasama dito yung kagandahang asal natin mga Pilipino at yung mga hindi rin magandang parts natin. Kasama yun eh. And it raises a lot of questions also. And sabi nga ni Direk Shugo, yun ang gusto natin, to have a conversation about it and hopefully find better ways of doing things and better policies and better systems. So thank you, Tito Jun.
Yeah, pero ngayon pa lang, congratulations. And after tonight's preview, I'm sure with all, kasi talagang positive lahat, no? Nakakaisa. I'm sure very, very positive yung mga maglalabas ng reviews, no? Mas magiging interesado ang mga streaming app with this tung drug war. So ngayon pa lang, congratulations. I'm so happy kasi yung nilaunch nga part kami nila MJ nila Gordy sa Singapore, di ba? Yan. Congrats again. Thank you, Derek Lino. Congratulations. Yan. Thank you.